Hi, I'm Alicia Abdurrahman. I'm going to solve the equation from exercise 1.2 question 4a. As the equation given is 4 power x plus 1 minus 15 multiplied with 2 power x equals to 4. As we all know, 4 is equals to 2 power 2. So, 2 power 2 multiplied with x plus 1 minus 15 multiplied with 2 power x equals to 4. So, we have to multiply 2 with the value in the brackets. So, 2 power 2x plus 2 minus 15 multiplied with 2 power x equals to 4. And then, we can separate it by 2 power 2x multiplied with 2 power 2 minus 15 multiplied with 2 power x equals to 4. 2 power 2, and we can write it as 2 power 2 multiplied with 2 power x multiplied with power 2 negative minus 15 multiplied with 2 power x equals to 4. And then let 2 power x equals to 4. And it will be 4u power 2 minus 15u equals to 4. And then 4u power 2 minus 15x minus 4 equals to 0. And then we can factorize it. U minus 4 multiplied with 4x plus 1 equals to 0. And then the first bracket, u minus 4 equals to 0, so u equals to 4. And then the second bracket, 4u plus 1 equals to 0, so 4u equals to negative 1, u equals to negative 1 over 4. And then, when u equals to 4, 2 power x is equal to 4. 2x is equals to 2. 2 power x is equals to 2 power 2. X is equals to 2. And then, when u is equals to negative 1 per 4, 2 power x is equals to negative 1 per 4. This case has no real solution because since any positive base raised to a real power must be greater than 0, that is, 2 power x must be greater than 0. So this case has no real solution. That is all. Thank you.
Exercise 1.2, question number 4, solve the following equations. So the question that I get is C. So the question is 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to 28 times 3 to the power of x minus 9. First of all, we should look at this exponent rule stated, which is a to the power of m plus n is the same or equals as a to the power of m. This is times a to the power of n. So we apply these rules to this equation. So before that, we write the equation back before we solve it to make it easier for us to understand. Okay, so the exponent rule, apply it to this number, it will become 3 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of 1 equals to 28 times 3 to the power of x minus 9. So we should simplify this number into 3, because 3 to the power of 1 is 3, then 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 equals to 28 times 3 to the power of x minus 9. So we notice that there is repetition with 3 to the power of x. So we use the substitution method, which is let y equals to 3 to the power of x. So we substitute this y into the equation, and it will be 3y to the power of 2 and 28y minus 9. So it will be 3y squared equals to 28y minus 9. So move this to this. So it will be 3y squared minus 28y plus 9 equals to 0. So this is an quadratic equation. So to solve it, we should factorize it, but 28y we cannot factorize it using, tak boleh factorize pakai C3. So kita factorizekan dia pakai nombor yang paling kita boleh factorizekan lah. So 3y squared minus 27y minus 9 plus 27y minus 1 plus 9 equals to 0. And then kita factorizekan lagi ikut grouping like this. Okay, so factorizekan dia jadi 3y times y minus 9 tolak 9 y minus 1 equals to 0. So we have factorized it, then it will become 3y minus 1 y minus 1 equals to 0. So untuk solvekan dia, kita kena cari y. So 3y minus 1 equals to 0, 3y equals to 1, 4 equals to 1 over 3. Then y minus 9 equals to 0, then y equals to 9. So this is the answer, but this is in the form of y, so we need to replace it back with 3 to the power of x. Sebab tadi kita pakai y to the power of y equals to 3x. So gantikan dia balik, akan jadi 3 to the power of x sama dengan 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is 3 to the power of negative 1. So x will be negative 1. Okay, ganti balik lagi satu. 3 to the power of x equals to 9. So to get the x, 9 kalau to ubah 9, dia akan jadi 3 to the power of 2. So x will be 2. So the final answer is x equals to y or x equals to 2. That's all.